Let's learn Python basics in just minutes. The relationship among variables, functions, classes, modules, and packages. A variable stores data, like a labeled box. For example, x equals 10, name equals Alice. A function is a reusable action. A function is a block of code that does a specific task. For example, def greet name, return hello plus name. Think of it like a little machine. You give it input, and it gives you output. A class is like a blueprint used to create objects. For example, class dog defines a dog with a name and a bark function. When you make a dog object, it has its own name and can perform actions. Think of it like a blueprint for a house. It defines the structure and behavior, and each object you create is a house built from that blueprint. A module is simply a Py file that holds variables, functions, or classes. For example, math.py is a built-in module. You can import math and use math.sqrt16 to get the square root. Think of a module like a single toolbox. It keeps all the tools you need in one place, so you can grab what you need without rewriting code. A package is a collection of multiple modules organized in a folder. For example, my package might contain mathutils.py and stringutils.py, along with an init.py file. Think of a package like a toolbox set. Each module is a tool, and the folder keeps them all organized in one place so you can easily use them in your code.